Welcome to the childcare application demonstration. This solution is built using Bluemix services like Ruby Sinatra, Analytics Warehouse, and Push Message Service. The solution is basically made up of two entities. One is the web portal where the daycare will update the child's daily information. The other one is the Android application where the parent will receive the information updated by the daycare in their web portal. Let us log in to the daycare portal. We have named our daycare as the Grant Road Daycare as an example. Once we log in, this will take us to the home page of the daycare. This is the home page of the daycare. Let us register a new child to the daycare. Click Child Registration. Here we are going to register a child. See, child name is Sid, his date of birth, parent name, say Kumar, then address, Bangalore, child active, then say submit. So Sid has been registered successfully. Now we are going to update daily activities for Sid. Click Child Activity Update. This will take you to Child Daily Details. Now we will select the child as Sid. We have 3 quarters here. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. So basically a quarter is divided in based on the timelines. So we are going to add milk fed. Basically it is an activity. Yes, sleep time from 9:30 to 10:20, self activity, playing some game, food details, say 500 grams, diaper change details, say yes, then say submit. Now the daily activities for quarter 1 of SID has been updated to the daycare portal. Now this information of SID will be available to his parent in real time through the Android application. For this, SID's parent needs to register the Android application using the child registration key provided by the daycare. Daycare can get SID's child registration key by using an API that we have exposed, that is list children. So if you type in list children along with the URL, so here you can see SID's registration key, that is basically the child ID. So 29 is SID's registration key. Now we are going to enter username in the Android application. Username is Kumar and then his email ID and then the child registration key, that is 29. So let us confirm whether it is 29. Yes, it is 29. And now we'll register this Android application. So once this registration is successful, this will take us to the home page of the Android application. So the registration is successful and we are on the home page of the Android application. Here you see two tabs. One is child report and send message to daycare. Now let us see what your child report gives us. Click your child report. This will open another window where you can see today's date. So today's date is 16th. I click on today's date and this will open up another window where I have all the 3 details of the quarter 1, 2, 3. So currently we are updated quarter 1, so we will get information about quarter 1. Milk fed, yes, self activity, playing some game, semi-solid food intake, Ferex, 100 grams, sleep time duration, diapers changed. this information is available to us in the Android application in real time. Now we have provided another feature where the parent can send a message to the daycare using the Android application. Now let us go back to the home page. One more click. The home page, back. So here you see send message to daycare. Click on the send message to daycare. So this will take you to another window through which you can send a message to the daycare. Here you can type your message. Say you will be late by 10 minutes today. So you can type in will be late by 10 minutes followed by the name. Then say send. So this information has been sent to the daycare. Now the daycare can access this information by clicking check messages tab which we have provided. So once he says click message, you will get this information here. Here you can see Kumar has sent his message and that has been recorded to the